Jordan, you think the squad ready to see what Nike's been hiding for a minute, bro?
No, I don't think they are, to be honest.
Man, I don't think so either. Nike about to come for me, but you know what? You gotta do it for the squad. Let's get it, man. Let's get right into it. Let's go.
Coco Man.
What is up, Coco Squad? It's your boy Coco Man here, back with another video on the YouTube. And today, guys, I know you've seen the title, so this video right here is for mostly my men and women that are sneakerheads or trying to become and turn into a sneakerhead. Like me, that's the position I'm in right now. That's the stage I'm in right now, trying to become a sneakerhead. Slowly but surely, man, it's a slow process. But yeah, squad, this video right here is plain and simple. I'm bringing it to you guys to help you guys out. Something that's gonna help you out a lot on the Sneakers app. If you are trying to become a sneakerhead or you are a sneakerhead, you should for sure know the Sneakers app. And if you don't yet, man, get into that. Download that app right now. It's an app powered by Nike. It's powered by Nike, but the app mainly focuses on shoes and like new upcoming releases. But with this Sneakers app, squad, man, you're not always for sure 100% gonna get the shoe you want. You can join the draw, and it's like you're testing your luck out every time when you join the draw and you're trying to get this shoe. You either get them or you don't get them, and you're out of luck. So you just gotta test your luck every time you join the draw. And what I'm trying to help you guys with right here is to increase your chances of getting these shoes. And I'm telling you, I've done my research for a while. This video's taking me a while to make because I've been trying to do my research as much. But there is one key factor that's going to increase your chances a ton, I'm telling you guys. And if it doesn't, you can come back to this video and give it a dislike. But I'm telling you, if you do this one thing, it's gonna help you a lot. It's gonna give you early access. Early access, for those who don't know, you get to join a draw for a couple shoes that Nike puts out before the drop actually comes out. So this little tip or trick, whatever you want to call it, is gonna help you get early access as well. Before we get into the secret sauce though, guys, if you haven't already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, become part of the Coco Squad, the strongest squad on YouTube. Help your boy Coco out, hit that 400 subscriber goal, man. We're almost there, so hopefully we can hit it soon. But I also want to do one more thing, guys. I want to show you that this actually works. I want to give you proof that it actually works, because once I started doing this one key fact, I kept trying different ways that I seen on Google, how to increase your chances, how to do this. None of them worked, but just this one right here. So once I did the one step that helped me out a ton, I actually got to hit on my first ever shoes on the Sneakers app. Thank goodness, man, finally. But now I'm gonna show you guys the shoes, and hopefully you sneakerheads out there are gonna help me out too with something. Just wait a quick minute, man. But the ones that I did get to hit on, let's check it out, are these right here. You can tell by the box what they kind of are. But the shoes that I did get to hit on after I finally did this one tip right here is... bang, man. I got the Marina Jordan 1s for here. Marina Blue Jordan 1s. And, man, these are the first one I got to hit on. Right when I did this little step right here, I finally got to hit. These are my first pair of Jordan 1s, actually. I'm just getting into the sneaker game, so don't bid on me in the comment section. But this is the first one we got right here. I was really happy that I got to get in these. A funny story is, I was like, man, I've tried so many tips out. I was just like, hoping that this one actually worked out. So I joined the draw at 10 o'clock right before my class started. And then like 20 or 30 minutes, I see an email from Nike saying that I finally got my shoes. Here's a picture of me actually getting these, man. I was hyped as hell in class. I couldn't concentrate because I was like, yo, finally I can make this video for the squad and help them out. You know, I'm hyped with my first pair of Jordan 1s, but I want the OG sneakerheads watching this video is to help me out is should I keep them dead stock, right? Should I keep them dead stock, or should I just rock them, man? Because it's been hard for me not to rock them, because right now they're not going up in price, but I've been seeing things. All the Marina Blues are going to go up, they're going to go up, but they haven't yet. So should I wait or should I just rock them? Let me know down below in the comment section. So with that being said, it's finally time to get into the secret sauce like I've been saying this whole time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these away, and it's on to the secret sauce. Let's go. So obviously, guys, for this, you're going to need your phone, because that's where the Sneakers app is on. Or it might be on the computer too. You might get it on your laptop. But what we're going to do is, let me put my phone and record real quick so I can show you guys up here too on the side. Let me move to the side a little bit too so I can put it up there. So my phone is recording, and we're going to enter the Sneakers app right here. Check it out. We're going to enter the Sneakers app. The load up is real cool. If this is your first time going into it, check it out. But nah, this is it right here, right? So you want to scroll, you want to check out what they got. They got the 12s coming up, 12 playoffs coming out. When is it? I'm not a real big fan of the Jordan 12s. My favorite shoe though down there, if anybody wants to send them to me. But my favorite shoe is the Jordan Bread 11s. Those are my 11s are my favorite Jordan, and Dunks are my favorite Nikes. But this shoe right here, guys, is dropping March 11th. So obviously, I want to give you guys a quick rundown too. If you haven't done this before, you want to hit the notify me. and they're gonna notify you. And then whenever the shoe's gonna drop, most of the shoes do drop at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. You join the draw and you test your luck out, right? But I'm gonna give you the little secret sauce that I finally tested out, and I was like, let's go, for real, for real. And then bang, these are for women's. These are type hot though too. These are not that bad. The UNCs, too, guys, real quick story. I did get early access to the UNCs, but the thing is that I didn't even realize. So after doing this trick on the SNKRS app, I ended up getting the blues right, and I did get early access on the UNCs. But the thing was, I didn't see that I got the early access until after the draw ended. So I just wasn't on the app or nothing, and that's where I messed up at, because for this tip, you're gonna want to be on the app. That's the quick note I got for you guys. They got some bricks right here though. I mean, do you guys like them? Let me know. But whoever got their hands on them UNCs, man, lucky you. Again, I was in class when mine dropped, so I didn't even check my phone during that, because my teacher be bitching if I'm ever on my phone. But these up-tempos, they're pretty nice, But enough with that though, it's finally time to get into this right here. So what you want to do, guys, to increase your chance, it's real simple, man. So the SNKRS app is just like TikTok, YouTube, you know, like those type of apps with like algorithms. The SNKRS app, it has its own algorithm. And you want to be consistent, you want to be like active in that algorithm. The more time you spend on the app, the better of a chance you're going to get for early access to actually get a shoe when it drops. This is the best way to increase your chances to be in the algorithm as much as you can. So you click on these little stories that they got. It's like Snapchat. You click the stories and you check it out. But what I recommend you guys is just let this joint run whenever you're not on your phone. Put it on the side, let it run. Don't skip, and I'm telling you, it's gonna show Nike that you're in the app, you're watching, you're interacting with this app, the SNKRS app. And I'm telling you guys, I got the Marina Blues, and right away I got the early access for the UNC. So I don't know, man. I'm telling you, this is working. So you let this run right here. You see, you let this run right now. I'm gonna skip. Some of them are pretty cool. This one right here is like the Marie Sol right here, Marie Sol. But the Marie Sol ones right here, they're pretty cool. It's just like a little comic. You read them. This one you can skip because it's like you gotta read them. So you skip them, you just watch all of them. You can watch as many as you can, as many as you want. And also another way you can get in the algorithm is just not on the Explorer. This is like a Discover page, Explore page, like on Instagram. And also to get in the algorithm a lot, if you like a shoe, like this one right here, just like it up. You feel me? Like it up, share it as well. Share it with somebody, whoever you want, airdrop that joint, whatever you want to do. There's not much to it, squad, for real. That's all you gotta do. You gotta get on here. You gotta get on here, watch a couple of these joints. This isn't a story, but I mean, you watch it. This one right here, I think it is a story. So you let that run, man. You let this girl explain what she about to do with this sweater, I think it is. You let that joint run, you put it to the side, or you watch if you want to, because they're not bad of a story, but some of them are just like not interesting. I don't find them interesting, at least. But that's really what you gotta do to increase your chances, man. After I started doing this, like 20 minutes a day, you let this joint run. It doesn't have to be 20 minutes besawing or anything. You can like 10 minutes here, 5 minutes here, 2 minutes here, then keep on building up every day, a couple times a day. You do that, the more watch time you have on this app, the better your chances are gonna be. I'm telling you, squad. To my male or female sneakerheads out there, it's gonna increase your chances, man. I'm telling you, I got these joints and I got early access to the UNCs that I'm still heard about, that I haven't gotten to, because I wasn't gonna wear those. I was actually gonna make some money off of those. But it's all cool though, man. At least it's working, There's a lot of tips and tricks out there how to increase your chances to hit them, but these bots are just crazy. Can somebody out there make a petition, man, and comment it down below so we can sign up to that petition to stop the bots, for real, from joining this app? But you know, I made a promise to myself that I'm not gonna buy any shoes for resale, guys, because I just find that dumb, man. These people are buying dumb amounts of shoes and like selling it for like double its price. But I'm sticking to retail. I'm building my shoe collection with retail's numbers, or at least close to it. Like I said, man, I'm hyped. What's up with it? We got the Jordan 1s right here, my first pair of Jordan 1s. What you guys think about these? Let me know in the comment section, man. Interact with your man Coco. Let me know. What's your favorite shoe in the shoe collection too, man? Mine's right now my Germantown Dunks that I got a couple videos ago. You'll see that I finally got my first shoe off of StockX, and they turned out real, thank God. But you know, we got these on next. We got a pair of Yeezys upstairs too, so you know we're building step by step, you feel me? But you know, we got these right here. And let me know, man. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the blue laces on them? Should I go black with them? Should I go white with them or should I mix and match them? Let me know, squad, your opinions on that, man. I want to know what you guys are thinking about these ones. It's my first pair of Jordan 1s, a fire joint. One thing about this YouTube thing, man, is that I love interacting with people that I don't know. It's an amazing thing. You build a relationship with people you don't know. With my translated reactions, I build conversations with people all over the place, from Spain, from Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Mexico, everywhere, man. I even got people from Spain hitting me up. Like, what? That shit's crazy. I love that the Coco Squad is building so quick and how strong we are, man. Interact with me down below. Let me know anything you want down in the comment section, because that's where I get to talk to the squad. If you've been here for a minute, you know I love helping the Coco Squad out, whether it's like with translated reactions, helping people understand some Spanish music, tips and tricks on your iPhone. Check out my iPhone too. I put a rap on this joint, or just with some regular lifestyle shit, man. I love helping you guys out because I feel like that's my way of saying thank you for all the support and all the love, man. All the likes you give on my video. But nah, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I love giving back to you guys. I love helping you guys out, and I appreciate all the love, man. But that's all from your boy Coco Main Squad. And like always, if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and KO that subscribe button. Alright, Jordan, my work here is done, bro. Before Nike starts knocking at the door, though, I'm out, Brody. Peace!